Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by making sure both devices can talk. Update your Apple Watch and iPad to the latest OS and sign into the same Apple ID so settings sync. Once done, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the iPad and place the watch within a few inches. Keep battery above 20% to avoid interruptions. Now open the Watch app on iPad. Yes, use the Watch app or Control Center pairing options, and follow the on-screen prompts to begin the pairing handshake. You'll guide the pairing process. Use the iPad camera view to align the watch's animated pattern and let the devices verify the code. Next, choose your preferences, set a passcode, add Apple Pay cards, and enable emergency SOS. These choices affect security and convenience. Make sure health and iCloud syncing are enabled so activity and data flow between devices. Then customize complications and notification rules to avoid spam. Take your time here, because these options determine how. Finish by restoring a backup or doing a fresh setup and allow apps and settings to sync. This can take several minutes. Once complete, test calls, messages, notification delivery, health sensors, and handoff to confirm functionality. If something misbehaves, try the primary troubleshooting step. Reboot both the iPad and watch, then reset network settings on the iPad and attempt pairing again. If needed, unpair and repair the watch. This preserves a backup. Otherwise, contact Apple support as a last resort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.